Okay, so I have a joke to tell. They were a water bottle and a water bottle, and the one bottle said to the other one bottle, I want some bacon, because I'm empty with no water. And the other joke is that they were pepper and salt on the table. And Caitlin decided to take the salt and she thought that the salt was her drink, and she almost drank it.
That's not a joke. That really happened.
Yeah, I know. Okay, come back to my camera. It was right here, and I was like, ah. Okay, I got a joke to tell.
Okay.
Okay. So there were salt and pepper. The pepper said to the salt, I don't like being hot, so I'm gonna go to being cold. I want to be you, said the pepper. But the salt said.
Salt's cold.
But the salt said. Ooh, I want to be spicy. Are you taking a video of a dog? Yep.
You jealous?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Open door. Open door who? Open door, little cuckoo. Okay. Camera. Okay, so the dog is going wild because he wants some food. So I'm going to sing a song about the dog. Dog, dog. Everybody clap along to this like this. Dog, dog. Dog wants some food, y'all. The dog wants some food, y'all. Yeah. The dog wants some food. He's hungry to poop. He really wants to poop out his poop. He wants to eat his poop and never ever leave it. He wants to eat his poop and never ever sing it. So let's go, dog, eat it, poop. Everybody knows that poop. Everybody poop. Cause it's a poop. Everybody needs some food. You gotta poop. Everybody needs the poop. So the dog needs to eat. And he likes to pee. And he needs everything to bleed. You better pee. He better poop. Cause he wants to eat. Some food. He's going wild. He's got your mama his. Do a little do. He's going wild.
She's thinking about you.
He's going poo. He needs millions and anything to do. Cause you go butterflies. He needs everything on my mind. I'm crazy. Cause it's for little time. And he's crazy. It's food. He's going crazy. You need my boo. What?
She said he's going crazy. He needs my boob.